Hi, if your 2023 was anything like mine, it was hectic. There was a lot of ups and downs. But before we get started on our 2024 journey, let me walk you through some of these boxes and also share kung ano yung plans natin for the year 2024. Tara! Hi, I'm Coach Abby at ako Technical Skills and Software, but this year, it's gonna be a little bit different and I guess to be very honest, I'm gonna try to be a little bit more open para mas close tayo. Slight disclaimer, wala dito yung Google package kasi nagamit namin for Noche Buena. But thank you Google Philippines for having us dun sa year-end celebration workshop. And I really had fun that night and learned a lot. But, yeah, I'll see you sa next event. So anyway, meron tatlong box dito. Yung first one is from ASUS sa kanilang year-ender. This one is from Facebook Meta. Nung first time natin madalaw yung kanilang HQ. This one is from TikTok. So TikTok pa rin talaga yung main platform natin. Although we're trying to put out a little bit more long-form content this year. This was actually pretty special kasi that was the first time na nag-walk tayo ng red carpet. Although I felt honestly na severely underdressed ako for the occasion. But I really wanted to be comfortable dun sa night na yun. So ito yung Best of TikTok PH. And it was a fun night. So, bago ako mag-overshare about this, isa-isahin natin. By the way, thank you Makono for this mic. Ito yung mic that was shown dun sa TikTok creator wall of LEDs and screens. So, yeah, really a great year with Mawono. And we also have another unit na in-unbox natin on TikTok. I'll put the link there, but also I'll try to give you a more in-depth review of that really soon. So anyway, let's start with ASUS. So we have here a notebook. So good for ideas, little pocket notebook na very sturdy. Cover ng mug. We have a spoon. Meron din tayo nito. Oh, it's a tote bag. Tcharan! Thank you ASUS sa care kit and mukhang mapupuyat pa rin tayo sa 2024 at magkakape pa rin tayo. So thank you ASUS. This is not pandering to ASUS but I really want to thank them then for the time na nag-start pa tayo mag-create ng content and sila yung una nagpadala ng gift sa atin which is the ASUS Webcam C3 and yeah, so one of our early partners. Let's open up this meta box. Natin ang laman. We have another wooden coaster. Tapos meron tayong tea. Mag-aaral na talaga tayo mag-press kasi I have a bunch of tea stuff at home pero hindi ko ginagamit. And then we have a spoon. And then we have a press. Ayan. I love how pang solo siya. Kasi, ako, 2023 natin was me realizing that my solo era is coming and sakto to. Honestly, sakto talaga to. So thank you Facebook. Really cool. Next box. Best of TikTok PH. For you creator kit natin. We have stickers. Journal. Powder. Mouthwash. Magpupulbos na talaga tayo this year, I guess. Moisture gel. Foundation. Lip balm. Kikay era na po natin. Cool lanyard from Visa. TikTok pen. Tinted lip balm. Kaibang shade, I think. And then we have a makeup mist. Ooh, very useful, I guess. Thank you TikTok family for having us Best of TikTok night. I really enjoyed that night. And also, I think this year, I'm gonna connect more with our Eduk fam. Although last year, marami naman tayong ginawang Eduk videos, but I think last year I went full out sa pop culture geek content and medyo nag-take ng backseat yung at Eduk stuff. But this year, the goal is to really finish yung library of content natin for our main thing, which is spreadsheet software. So that's Excel and Sheets. I dabbled a little bit sa Sheets, but I'm gonna try to focus on that a little bit more this year. Anyway, thank you TikTok and to all the sponsors for the year-ender. Now let's talk about our 2024 plans. Now 2024, we're gonna try to figure out what the best path is moving forward. 2023, it was very tiring for me. Honestly, kaya hindi tayo nagka-content masyado this end of December and January after the events is because I got really burnt out. Bago yung job, a lot of changes happened in my personal life. A lot of changes happened relationship-wise. I'm learning to be more independent right now. Whether it's little things like buying stuff for myself, nag-order sa fast food and stuff, because I never really had a lot of time being alone. For majority of my life, I was with a twin, and then after that, I started my career, and a whole decade akong may kasamang best friend, and now she's moved on to bigger and better things, and I'm also moving on to bigger and better things. Ngayon lang kami naghiwalay ng physically, I guess. We were roommates since we started our best friendship. Kasi when we were assigned sa Naga, we stayed there as roommates, and then when we moved back to my family's house, magkasama din kami. But now she's exploring, and she moved out. So ngayon lang din ako naging mag-isa sa kwarto, mag-isa sa biyahe, when I drive, when I do stuff. So a lot of new stuff for me, and with that comes a lot more responsibilities, I guess. Worrying only about myself, worrying only about what I want to do and how I want to spend my time. Because before, I would take into consideration a lot of factors before I make a move. But now, it's scary, but it's exciting. Na sabi ko nga, little things like not having to ask anyone else kung saan kakain or saan pupunta. It's very liberating for me, but at the same time, it's a little bit scary because now I'm gonna have to pull myself by my bootstraps and go. But in terms of content creation, I think we're gonna go back to how we used to make content, and that is assign a shooting day for all the videos, and then assign an editing day for preparing those videos. Last year kasi ang dami-daming events na pinuntahan. Not that I'm nagrereklamo. I'm really grateful for all our partners. Netflix, Columbia Pictures, Warner, Disney. Really, really grateful sa lahat ng invites. SM Cinema, and also Ayala Malls. Sobrang daming experiences last year, and I wish I could walk you through it all, pero feeling ko masyadong mahaba yung video pag ganun. So ang dami natin events last year, so parang umabot ako sa point where I was actually just posting a vid dun sa actual next event na. So it was really, really a grind. But this year, since we're gonna focus on our eduk stuff, we're gonna have to be a little bit more smarter with how we actually shoot, edit, and produce content. So that's on the horizon. But another thing that we're focusing on a little bit more is our tech content. And next video natin dito is gonna be a very, very big deal for me. It's the first time ever that we're reviewing and unboxing a pre-launch product. So get excited about that because I'm excited about that. I really want to share it with you guys, but wait lang. So yeah, stay tuned lang sa mga updates pa natin. There's a lot of stuff na nakapila. But I hope 2024 treats us better, and I hope we treat ourselves better this 2024. All in all, that's all I want to say, and I just want to give you guys yung parang proof of life. I am alive, and I'm gonna make content pa rin for the next year, which is this year, actually 2024, and basta tuloy lang tayo. And as we always say, be better today than you were yesterday, and we're gonna try to do that. Be better, make better content, and be a better coach to you guys as we all struggle and overcome yung mga struggles natin in life. I'll see you around, and thank you sa pagsama. Bye-bye.